Plug and play like a pro. The ultimate 7-way trailer cord for worry-free towing. Tired of wrestling with trailer wiring like it's a wild beast? Say hello to the GearIT 7-way Plug Inline Trailer Cord, your new road trip MVP. With color-coded wires and a hassle-free junction box, installation is so simple, even your neighbor who still calls tech support for the TV remote could do it. No more short circuits, no more roadside headaches, just smooth, secure, and weatherproof towing. Whether you're hauling a camper, boat, or livestock trailer, this beast of a wiring harness keeps your ride connected, powered, and ready for adventure. Built like a tank, performs like a dream. The 16-foot heavy-duty cord is made to withstand the harshest conditions: rain, snow, mud, and whatever else Mother Nature throws at you. The pure copper connectors ensure minimal electrical resistance, so your trailer lights, brakes, and signals stay crisp and reliable. Unlike those flimsy knockoffs, the GearIT 7-way trailer cord won't leave you stranded with flickering lights or failed connections when you need them most. It's UL listed, so you know you're dealing with a quality piece of gear, not some questionable, off-brand fire hazard. Universal compatibility? Check. Hassle-free install? Absolutely. Whether you drive an RV, camper, gooseneck, or utility trailer, this versatile 7-way plug has your back. The weatherproof junction box keeps connections dry and secure, while the thick PVC outer sheath ensures top-tier durability. And let's talk about that 16-foot length, long enough to fit most setups without unnecessary slack that could drag or tangle. Plus, the secure fit ensures zero loose connections, so you won't have to keep checking if your trailer lights are still working. Saving time and money, one plug at a time. You could waste hours dealing with janky, unreliable trailer wiring, or you could install this plug-and-play masterpiece and forget about wiring issues for years. The high-quality materials and corrosion-resistant connectors mean fewer replacements and repairs, saving you cash and preventing those "why is this not working" moments before a trip. No special tools or wiring wizardry required, just follow the simple installation guide and get back to the important stuff: hitting the road. Get yours now, before your next trip leaves you in the dark. Don't let faulty wiring turn your road trip into a roadside nightmare. The GearIT 7-way trailer cord delivers the durability, reliability, and ease of use that every trailer owner needs. Upgrade your towing game today and experience stress-free hauling like never before.